Like in Sámi worldview, we see that everything is connected. The spirituality is present in the everyday work and in the acts that you are doing. You can say that it is a prayer. My name is Outi Pieski, Tsiski Jooseh-piiret Hansa Outi. I belong to the Tetno River Valley and live in a small village called Talvatas. Sámi people are the indigenous people living in the northern Scandinavia. Our home area is called Sápmi. We are the ones who need to be protecting the lands because they are the only places nowadays in the globe that are still like having healthy ecosystems.
Well, in Sámi language, the word art is really new. So we only talk about duodji. The duodji can be translated into handicraft, but on the other hand, it is something totally different. It's a holistic concept that deals with the Sámi philosophy and values and spirituality, and it connects it with the practicality and traditional skills. I'm inspired of walking, skiing, and being in the forests and mountains and gathering the gifts from the nature. And that is like where my artistic practice comes from. Yeah, I started to make these tassel installations because we needed to cut down one tree from our yard when we were building another house. And the tree was very important to my grandmother. And then I started to work with these tassels, and they became kind of a prayer or kind of I was saying I'm sorry. So I started to make these tassels to the branches of the tree. And that became this first installation that I made out of this material. These colors, they come from the darkest time of the year. It is only in a very short moment when the sky is having all these pastel colors. It really helps you to survive from this dark time of the year.
I feel like it's my responsibility to bring out the Sámi issues. It's not about my own individual expression. The art comes from the nature, from the land, and it's made for the land. It's always a question about the land.